Hello everybody, this is Andrew Garchik at DP Metal up in Clifton, New Jersey, and I wanted to share with you guys a part that I've been working on recently that I just got completed. Really cool part, shows off a lot of the capabilities of the Markforged 3D printing technology. So I'll just take you guys through it here. First off, this part is reinforced with continuous carbon fiber. So you can't break it. You try as hard as you can. And the thing is really stiff, really strong. On this arm here, you've got some inner diameter threads. There's no wobble in this. The tolerance is really tight. Let me see if I can show you those threads. This is actually an M8, but I also have here an M6 and an M4. And you can go lower. I've gone as low as M3. Haven't tried M2. Probably could do that too if you wanted to. We've got some writing on the sides of this part to show off kind of the fine detail. Got our slogan here, more is possible. On this arm, you've got an outer diameter thread. Again, just showing off how precise it is at printing threads. Try and zoom in here, you can see how nice those are. It fits the nut here perfectly. And then this exact nut, we've actually embedded in the center of this part as a threaded insert. So you can see it's completely encapsulated. The way we do that is we design this CAD model with a cavity in it, and we put a pause in the software. So the printer will actually pause at that layer. You come in, you take your nut here, you drop it into the cavity, you hit resume, and then it will continue to print over the top of it, embedding the nuts within the part here. And then finally on the last arm, we have a heat set insert. These work really well. These are from McMaster-Carr, and they give you the whole diameter to print. So you just print the hole, and then you heat up the insert with a soldering iron, and you just push it right in there. The sides of this insert are knurled, so as the plastic hardens again, it grabs it, and these can actually take quite a bit of force. So I hope you like this. I sure do. I thought this came out great. This is really cool. Please share it. Please like it. Please comment. Let me know that you guys are out there watching, and I'll continue to print more fun parts to show you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good one.